And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. I'm going to go with the pear couscous. And what I'm going to do with that, I'm going to put some water. And I'm using the cast iron, by the way. I'm going to use the cast iron. Just to keep with the spirit of the cast iron. And you're going to let this baby, this water, boil. You want this baby to boil. In addition to that, you're going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. And stir it a little bit. You're going to let it cook. You want them to boil first. The cast iron I'm using here is an antique that I bought the other day at an antique store. It's very old, so let's see how it works. I had it covered, so I'm going to cover it now. So it went from, when it was boiling, I reduced the heat to a couple notches above low. This thing is cooking perfectly. It's going to be like pasta, pretty much, you know. This is almost done, by the way. Using the cast iron. Took about 5 minutes, if that.